After the release of iOS 26, some users have faced issues with their iPhone restarting repeatedly. This video explains the causes and provides effective solutions to fix the issue. Part 1. Why does my iPhone keep restarting after the last update? If your iPhone keeps restarting every 2 minutes after the iOS 26 update, possible causes include bugs in iOS 26, software compatibility issues, insufficient storage, hardware problems, or poor battery health. Part 2. How to fix iPhone keeps restarting after iOS update. After understanding the reasons iOS 26 keeps restarting iPhone, we will now introduce several common fixing methods. Based on your specific situation, try these methods one by one to find a suitable solution. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus, hold volume down and power buttons until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold power and home buttons until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Reseat SIM Card. A loose or damaged SIM card can cause the iPhone to restart every 2 minutes. Reseating the SIM card may resolve the issue and restore proper network connection. Fix 3. Update the apps. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the profile icon in the upper right corner to access the account page. Step 3. Scroll down to find the Available Updates list. Step 4. Tap Update All to update all apps to their latest versions. Once the updates are complete, restart the device and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 4. Uninstall problematic apps. Step 1. Long press the icon of the problematic app until a menu appears. Step 2. Tap Remove App. Step 3. Confirm the deletion of the app and its data. Fix 5. Check for iOS updates. Step 1. Go to Settings General Software Update. Step 2. The system will automatically check for available updates. Step 3. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Fix 6. Reset all settings. Step 1. Open Settings General Reset. Step 2. Select Reset all settings. Step 3. Enter your device password to confirm the reset. Fix 7. Restore iPhone via iTunes. However, the restore process will erase all data on the iPhone, so make sure to back up your iPhone first. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer and launch iTunes. Step 2. Enter recovery mode on your iPhone. Step 3. When prompted, select Restore in iTunes. Step 4. Wait for the process to finish, and then set up your iPhone. Fix 8. Using iOS System Recovery No Data Loss. iOS System Recovery is a great option for preventing data loss while fixing iPhone issues, such as constant restarting after the iOS 26 update, without affecting your data. Step 1. Install and launch the software on your computer. Then, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and select iOS System Recovery to proceed. Step 2. The app will automatically detect the issue with your iPhone. Once it displays the problem on the interface, click the Start button to continue. Step 3. Select Standard Mode, then click Confirm to start downloading the iOS firmware. Step 4. Confirm the device information shown on the screen. If needed, select the correct details from the drop-down lists. Finally, click the Repair button to begin fixing. The iPhone keeps restarting after iOS Update 18. Fix 9. Contact Apple Support. If the issue persists after trying all methods, contact Apple Support for further assistance or visit an authorized service center for inspection and repair.